Yellowstone Itinerary, travel in an RV with a dog. It's a very niche audience. We came up from Jackson Hole and spent 4 nights in that area. Jackson Hole is a super cute town. If you're basing any of your time there, when you drive north, you're driving through Grand Teton Park. And even if you just took a scenic road through the park, you are experiencing a lot of the mountains. Of course, there's beautiful hikes and things that you can do there, not with a dog. Because we entered in around the middle of the day, we ended up waiting 45 minutes just to enter Yellowstone Park. So when you're in an RV, it's not such a big deal. We just hung out and made some lunch while we waited in the line, but it's not the ideal way to spend your time if you're on a time crunch. There are 2 types of campgrounds in the park. I mean, there's RV parks and campgrounds, but some you can book in advance, and I think that you probably have to book them, I don't know, like a year in advance or something, which didn't really work for our schedule. And then there's other campgrounds that are first come, first serve. I can tell you one thing, we didn't want to spend our afternoon stressing about where we were going to sleep at night. So in order to avoid the first come, first serve campgrounds, we spent 4 nights near Jackson Hole. We spent 2 boondocking in this awesome Teton View boondocking spot, and 2 nights in an RV park right in downtown Jackson Hole. We're spending 2 nights in West Yellowstone, just outside the park, at an RV park. 2 nights on the east side near Cody, Wyoming, and 2 nights up in Gardenier, up by Mammoth Hot Springs.
Tensions are palpable. You could cut the excitement with a knife.
Let's try it.
Everybody clap if you believe.
It's a good thing this is all digital footage and we can just keep recording. This would be tough on film. I've been sitting in an RV for 3 hours, just getting comfortable. Took another nap. I had lunch. I watched some episodes of Better Call Saul, played some Candy Crush. Now that we finally decided to get out of the car, we're thinking that it's probably gonna rain, and you know what? It should. That would just be very Yellowstone of it too. But it would be funny that the beautiful part of the day, we played Candy Crush and slept. Let's check it out.
I mean, this rolled in really fast, and now it's really windy and really dark over there.
Made it. Record time.
Down here really quick, but that is a dark sky, so let's get out of here. It's gonna get wet.
Oh, here goes the rain!
Perfect!
Oh. Perfect! Oh my gosh, we made it! Oh, also, this is where we spent our 3-hour adventure having lunch and watching a movie. Not a bad spot. Oh my gosh, like it's gonna. Wait, yeah, come here. Let's go potty real quick. When does that ever happen? That we make it inside right before the rain? You guys know us for being stuck in the rain, so let's all just take a moment and appreciate Tim's already eating carrots. Best vegetable, right?
We're just celebrating a big W right now.
Yeah, so we're celebrating the win. We also found this is a good opportunity to. Can you see the cars? Not very well. Talk about traffic here in Yellowstone. We have now been sitting in traffic, kind of stuck, trying to leave the waterfall area, and we thought it was just like slow traffic because everybody jumped in their cars with the rain. But it's got to be a wildlife viewing. We're not even like inching up. So this is just a note. You come to Yellowstone, you have to add wildlife viewing into your drive times. Not even your own wildlife viewing. We can't see anything, but we're just stuck on a 1-lane road, just not moving.
Falls hike because when we were seeing the, what's it called? The prismatic, the pretty one, insert picture here. We saw a bunch of people up on a hill and we were like, how do we get up there? That's a much better view. And it's this, you come here. So we're doing it.
Is this it?
We got a nice aerial view, yeah. See, the problem with not being able to fly the drone in the national park is that we have to go hike up to get the photograph. We can't just send the robot into the sky. A little bit of exercise today.
Why is that?
Because drones aren't allowed, just because like it's a rule.
I meant everything good is up.
And everything good is up a hike. So excited we actually got to see that in great lighting. That was one of those things I just figured, you know, it'd be like cloudy or rainy.
It was cloudy this morning.
It was cloudy, yeah.
Allison probably won't include this in the actual cut of the video, but since we show you the reality of travel, something I've been waiting for is misbehaving tourists. Today is a red letter day because I saw my first of this trip, adult Chinese tourist peeing in public. First she went through the signs that said do not go off the path, and then she had a nice tinkle over by a log in public.
Tim was trying to film it.
I didn't know first I was just gonna show that like they were just wandered off the path, but then she dropped trout.
Junior Ranger.
I am a junior ranger.
Top junior Ranger.
I wanted to yell at the old American guy who let his dog poop and didn't clean it up over at Old Faithful. Somebody's gotta enforce the rules.
What is it called? Like Robin Hood and like Spider-Man and stuff? Like.
Some people call them vigilantes, some people call them heroes. I'm sure there's a lot of people out there though who are like, yes, he's speaking up for us. I'm okay being the bad guy.
You know what? You should just be bear aware and let that be enough.